The Sapphire Scroll of Antioch. In the heart of ancient Antioch, where scholars once gathered to exchange ideas that shaped the early world, a single artifact has defied every attempt at simple classification. It is known as the Sapphire Scroll of Antioch, a scroll case carved from an otherworldly blue stone, polished to a gleam that seems almost internal, as though lit from beneath its surface. At first glance, it resembles a ceremonial container for sacred writings, but closer inspection reveals something far stranger. The entire surface of the stone is etched with constellations that do not match any known celestial map. Each star is carved with such precision that even modern instruments struggle to detect variations in depth or angle. To many, it appears less like a decorative pattern and more like a message encoded in the language of the heavens. Archaeologists discovered the sapphire scroll sealed, buried deep beneath a collapsed structure believed to have been a philosophical hall. Despite centuries underground, the stone case remained pristine, untouched by decay, unmarred by cracks, as if it resisted the passage of time itself. When they lifted it into the light, witnesses described a subtle glow running along its edges, shimmering like starlight on water. Scientists were quick to test its mineral composition, expecting to find a form of lapis lazuli or another recognizable stone, yet the results were inconclusive. The material contained traces of elements rare on Earth and in proportions that made no geological sense. Then came the mystery within the mystery. Once conservators managed to open the case, they found no scroll inside. Instead, the interior was lined with more star patterns, finely etched, tightly arranged, resembling a map not of the night sky above, but perhaps of something deeper, more conceptual. Some theorists propose it charts the movement of stars over tens of thousands of years, a kind of long count celestial calendar far beyond what the ancients were thought capable of. Others believe it represents constellations that can only be seen from far different latitudes, or even from positions no longer accessible on Earth. The people of Antioch left no written record about this artifact, yet oral traditions whispered of the skybox, a sacred object entrusted only to those who studied the origins of the world. Some say it was used in initiation rites for astronomer priests, who claimed that the stone revealed its meaning only under the right phase of the moon. Modern researchers have tried, projecting different wavelengths of light across its surface, searching for hidden inscriptions or patterns that might unlock its code. So far, the scroll case keeps its silence. Still, the Sapphire Scroll of Antioch stands as a reminder that ancient knowledge may have stretched far beyond the horizons we imagine, and perhaps in time, its constellations will find their voice. Help the channel by like, share, subscribe.